Did you know that in Google Sheets you can add a calendar date picker so you never have to type dates manually again? I use this trick in all my budget templates and it saves so much time for my clients. Let me show you how it works. It only takes a few seconds. Here's how it looks. Double-click on the cell, and when the little calendar appears, just pick the date and it drops right in. That's it. Super simple. I use this in every budget I design. If you'd like to test one for yourself, you'll find a free template linked below. Or if you just want to learn how to set it up in your own file, keep watching. I'll show you exactly how. Now let's see how to add the calendar step by step. First, select all the cells where you want the date picker to appear. It can be an entire column or just a few cells. It's up to you. Next, go to the top menu, click on Data and then Data Validation. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. Here you'll see all the existing rules that are already set up in the file. To create a new one, click on Add Rule at the bottom. At the top of the new panel, you'll see Apply to Range. It shows which cells are included, and you can adjust it if you want, maybe to cover more rows or even a full column. Then, under Criteria, chooses a valid date. In some versions, it might simply say Date. That's the setting that makes the little calendar appear. Below, under Advanced Options, you can decide what happens if someone types the wrong thing. Either just show a warning or completely reject the input. I usually prefer reject the input, so the cell only accepts valid dates. Now click Done to save the rule. Let's test it. Double-click inside one of your cells, and here it is. Pick a date and it drops straight into the cell. That's all it takes. In under a minute, you've got a calendar date picker working in your spreadsheet.